The inclusion of a third-party service on a learning course has an impact on authoring, deployment, and enactment phases. Let's have a deeper look into them. First, authoring. Authoring is the process of translating the ideas of the course creator into IMS LD learning design description. The course author thinkings are actually in the form, I would like to include an assessment tool in the course. Therefore, he is not thinking on local nor third-party services. He thinks in a first activity devoted to answering a questionnaire and a later one whose content depends on the given answers. Then, he translates his thinking into a formal description, including what kind of tool is required, who will use the tool, and how it will be used. The formal description of all the course is included in a package called Unit of Learning. Deployment is the next step in the course lifecycle. At deployment, all the required resources are allocated in the actual delivery scenario. If the system detects a service description, it builds a list of suggested services and offers them to the administrator. Then, the administrator chooses the service that best matches with the course purposes. In the pre-enactment, course participants need to perform manual configurations. Usually, they have to grant access to their data in the third-party service. Configuration is performed in the so-called Act 0. In the Google Docs example, the teacher is the only participant prompted to configure his data. He just has to follow the instructions given in the activity description. Last phase in the course is called enactment. At this point, the course has started and users interact with the material and with the third-party service. Each participant in her own computer performs her task, so he is interacting with the third-party service through a GSI layer. The teacher accesses the service to view the user responses. The system is then adapted depending on these values. To conclude, GSI allows IMS LD course material to be adapted by considering data from a third-party service.